AI systems like ChatGPT are very powerful, but they're not perfect. When AI makes mistakes, the consequences can be serious. That's where fail to human comes in. Fail to human ensures AI doesn't just fail, it fails gracefully. Here's how it works. It starts with detection. AI monitors its own confidence in its answers. Once the degradation in that confidence begins to happen, it will let the human know. It will either ask for specific input or it will ask for an approval before moving ahead. It is generally transparent and lets the user know where it's struggling to make a decision so that the human can best help and make sure that the AI can handle the situation going forward, making sure that the human and the AI are interacting as a fallback system. Take a look at one of our workflows and how our human to fail works in our integrated system. So as you see, we have over here a project that we have put together whose primary task is to check whether invoices are compliant with a service agreement that we have in place. The first step is to go through that service agreement and gather all points of information that might be relevant. The second step is to pick up the invoice itself and to go through that. So let's go ahead and do that. So as we see, when we run the task, it will perform both of the tasks in the background. So in a second, we'll see what is actually going on. So it ran the first task successfully, which was to absorb the information in the service agreement, but it is having a problem in the second task. And as you see, it is failing to the human. It is explaining on the left side what the problem it is that has encountered. And on the right side, it has the pre-filled template of the form where we could now input the new information that we might need to fix the second task. So we go ahead and replace the task with the invoice that is now corrected, and we are going to rerun the task. Importantly, we see that it didn't actually rerun the first task. It went ahead and ran only the second task using the new invoice that we have just now updated. So that is an example of our workflow. As you see, fail to human isn't just about avoiding mistakes, it's about managing risk. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or autonomous vehicles, this approach keeps us safe where it matters most. As you see, fail to human is a built-in feature in Axiom's AI tool. So if your organization requires this level of precision and decision-making in production and you're looking to implement your AI, make sure to check us out. Remember to like and subscribe to stay ahead of the innovation curve. Thank you, everyone.